Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to find Monopoly Go username. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Monopoly Go application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are, tap on the menu button located at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Now, under Settings, you will be able to see your user ID at the very bottom of the screen. And that is how you will be able to find Monopoly Go username. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.